Hi everyone, here's JJ. This video, I will share a code I wrote today. So today, I'm really lucky because I got a really interesting math puzzle from open house, from Mr. Sullivan, Mr. Veda, Mr. Awad. So look at this. Oh, shit. Okay. So you see, it's a question. The question is like that. So I thought I could find a beautiful way to solve that kind of question, but at the end I realized that for those questions, the only thing you can do to simplify the question is using like time or divided by like those division. Those line or row can always simplify the question, for example like that. But at the end, there's still a lot of situation. Therefore, we still have to use brute force to solve that kind of question. Therefore, if we have to use brute force to solve question, why don't we use Python? That's what I thought. Because Python can kind of easy to identify if the input is follow the condition. So yeah, that's it. So let's try. So I wrote this code. Basically, let user enter this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 operation in one row and 6 operation in column, and let user enter those 6 number, and then there will be a many if and for to check everything. So all of this code is are written by myself. However, I use ChatGPT to learn to check something. I just want to check if I can, if okay, this is at the beginning. Here's another code. At the beginning, I thought I can use this way to do that. So basically, to check all the possible, each place check all the possible like number, and I just try to repeat it. I thought after I repeated enough amount of time, it will filter to correct answer. That's why I learned something like how to delete the repeat element in the list. But right now it's not work, so bye bye. But also then later, okay, it's something about how to like move huge amount of line of code, move all of them to left or right, something like that. But anyway, I don't have to use it. I didn't use it. Oh, I use it because at the beginning I copied like 6, 9, 4. So yeah, it's not so I use a lot of like tabs. Yeah. So but yeah, continue. So also yeah, okay. And after I finish the main part, I throw this to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT check the problem. But here, I check here's a mistake and I solve it. Then continue. Oh, blah 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 blah. Then the biggest problem in my code is about I mean, if I let user to enter those 4 type of operation, those operation is stored as string text. So I have to transfer it to integer. However, I thought it, okay, I said it might work, but okay, it's not work. I thought at the end, evil, this function is the function I use in my code because it's the only way to solve that problem. So also like blah 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 blah. At the end, it's still condition is not work because condition cannot solve because, for example, we have to calculate time first, division first, then calculate plus and minus, so something like that. Blah 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 blah. Then continue. Yeah, this one. Then I let ChatGPT check if here's any mistake. So that's why at the beginning I use something like that, which is not work. Then I change to Apple. So blah 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 blah. Also, okay, continue. Here's a small bug because I checked this 2 times, so it's a mistake. So anyway, I checked so this 2 times, so I'm okay. I changed it. So let's check. So I already let the code find the correct answer, which is 867. You can check 8 minus 6 plus 7 9 blah 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 blah. Blah. It's all correct, but right now I just want to show you guys why everything is perfectly correct. So right now, let's type everything. Okay, I will put everything here. Okay. So minus, plus, time, plus, divided by, division, plus, minus, plus, time, plus, division, plus, go. Then minus, plus, plus. Then 9, 46, 5, 3, 13, 11. Then I will use you guys can see my code. Print print everything in that order. So 867 951 423. It's perfectly correct. Oh, if you guys think, oh, JJ, you might hide something, so let's check this one. So run it again. So minus, plus, minus, time, minus, plus, minus, 16, 0, 22, 17, 5, 1, 819, 532, 476. Can you guys see it? Okay, let me show you guys. Show it to you guys. Check if everything is same. Then. So it's perfectly work. Yeah, so anyway, because those kind of question, the nature of those kind of question is just brute force and luck. Therefore, I don't care about luck. I have computer. So anyway, so I found that code. If you guys are interested about the code, I can make a video to explain about this code. But okay. See you.